Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your image and working non-destructively. Duplicate the layer and save a versioned copy. Once done, set resolution and color profile to match output needs, 300 dpi for print, 72 dpi for web, so colors and sharpness behave predictably. Make sure to name layers and group related elements. This saves time during detailed edits. You'll also want to crop or straighten early to lock composition before color and retouching work begins, which prevents wasted effort on the wrong. You now tackle exposure and color because they define mood and clarity. Start with levels or curves to fix brightness and contrast, pulling midtones carefully to avoid clipping. Then set white balance with the eyedropper on a neutral area or adjust temp/tint to remove color casts. Once balanced, boost vibrance or saturation sparingly. If skin tones or skies shift, apply adjustments via masks to target only those areas. This layered approach preserves texture while letting you refine color relationships across the image. You finish by retouching and preparing the final file. Remove spots and distractions with the spot heal or clone tools. For skin or textures, use frequency separation so detail stays natural. Apply sharpening appropriate to output, unsharp mask for screen, high pass for high-resolution print, and then export using the correct color profile and file type. If artifacts or banding appear, add a touch of noise or increase bit depth and re-export. If prints are dull, confirm printer profile and do a soft proof before finalizing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.